2004 Ford Focus Insight 2.3 GT has replaced the fuel filler neck. The original OEM clamp did not work. When the loads got an 1.25" clamp, come in a pack of 2. And I put rubber insulator inside of it to protect the fuel filler pipe from vibration. Okay. Now replace the fuel vapor hose. For the fuel tank or dry rotted, I use 1932 PCV valve hose. That vapor line connects to that vent valve underneath. Okay. And I replace the filler neck fuel hose. Alright. The easiest way to access that fuel vapor hose, I remove the tire and use extension to access it. Alright, that's the easiest way. Alright, I put all new clamps in there and everything looking good. If you have any question working in the fuel system, let me know later.